than the first method, the use of shortcut keys. For this method we will use two keys of navigation of the screen reader mode. In navigation mode, keys are not used to write, only used to explore. The first key you will use is the H key. The H is the initial letter of the word hello. When you press the H key, it jumps by the headlines that have the web page. It starts at the current position. It ends at the bottom of the page. It does not start again to not confuse the user. For this reason, it is necessary to go to the top of the page to start a search for headlines. If the designer of the web page works quite rightly and properly used the headlines, you can navigate easily within the web page. The second shortcut key is the key N. The N is the initial letter of the word new. This shortcut key gives breaks for paragraphs that have no links. With this shortcut key, we move with jumps through the paragraphs that are not links. It is logical to think that the paragraphs of content do not have link. But many designers of web pages looking for users to jump by your website, and they add links mislabeled everywhere. If the designer of the web page lets clean paragraphs without mixing them with the links, you will find the content easily. Below we will explain the procedure for using the two keys. The first shortcut key you will use will be to search the headlines. We will use the H key, which is the initial letter of the word hello, and the arrow key down, by pressing them repeatedly and interleaved. Now, we begin the procedure. After entering the website you are visiting, press the Control key to stop the reading made by the screen reader. We are located at the top of the page. To review the content in the correct order, click the combined keys, Control Most Home. Now, begin to search the titles and subtitles. Press the H key, which is the initial letter of the word hello, repeatedly, listening carefully to locate the titles or subtitles that has the web page. After finding a title of interest, the key is press down arrow repeatedly to search and listen to the text or content. If after repeatedly pressing arrow down and do not find the desired content, then we return to press H again and again to locate another header of our interest. After finding another title of our interest, back to press down arrow repeatedly to search and listen to the text or content related to the title. We repeat this procedure after finding titles that interest us. But if after searching under all our interest titles do not find the content, then we must restart the search using another shortcut key. Now, we will use the second shortcut key used to find paragraphs without links. We will use the N key. It is the initial letter of the word new and the arrow key down. By pressing them repeatedly and interleaved. Now, we begin the procedure. To restart the search, we are located at the top of the page. Click the combined keys, Control Most Home, to start at the top of the page. Click only once the N key, the initial letter of the word new, to locate us in a paragraph of text which is not a link. After listening to the paragraph, and if you have information of interest, continue pressing the down arrow to listen to the rest of the content of the information on the website. If we do not find relevant information, turn to press once again the letter N to locate the following paragraph that is not a link. We repeat the procedure until the end of the page. If these two basic techniques do not find the information, we cannot use shortcut keys to find information within the website. The website where we are located is not accessible. In the following video we will develop the procedure to use the function Search Screen Reader.